Welcome back. This is Monument, and today we'll have a look at Rivian. Rivian has produced over 1,000 electric vehicles in 2021. When Rivian announced that it produced just over 1,000 electric vehicles, mainly its R1T electric pickup truck, since it started production in September. After starting production in September, the automaker had been guiding production of roughly 1,200 vehicles in 2021. However, after releasing its first ever earning report after going public, Rivian warned that some of the production's issues would result in missing the target by a few hundred vehicles. Today, Rivian confirmed that it ended up producing 1,015 vehicles and delivering 920 vehicles last year. The automaker didn't break down the production by model, but most are expected to be the R1T electric pickup truck. Now, there should be some electric delivery vans for Amazon and a handful of R1S and electric SUVs. At the same time, Rivian has confirmed that Rod Copes, its chief operating officer, has retired from the company. Rod began a phased retirement from Rivian several months ago, according to the team continuity as we move forward. Now, this is obviously fantastic news for Rivian because at the moment they IPO'd at such a high valuation that they need to produce a large amount of vehicles to actually keep their company at said value. Now, the competitive nature of Rivian is quite obvious, but it's quite impressive to see that they have come a long way, and we should give them credit for what they've achieved. Yes, they haven't sold 100,000 vehicles yet, but these things happen over time. It doesn't happen overnight. Patience is important, as the CEO Scorin has revealed on Twitter. Some of the already built production ramp electric pickup trucks and SUVs. He's revealed this on his Twitter account, and basically these are vehicles that will be delivered to their customers, which is actually quite exciting. Now, this is really fascinating to see that the CEO is ambitious but confident in the company and what the company will achieve in the long term. Scorin is also driving one of the electric pickup truck, which is really fascinating to see. Now, we have no idea what kind of numbers Rivian can achieve this year. Hopefully, they'll not just be able to deliver pickup trucks to customers, but I hope that they'll also be able to deliver vehicles to Amazon for delivery purposes and the SUVs as well. And hopefully this is enough to keep Rivian at a high valuation. But long term, the Rivian company, the price of the share, I really think that it could fall as low as $50, simply because EV manufacturing is so difficult. It is not easy at all. Now, due to this fact, we have to consider that there will be good and bad times for Rivian in the future. These will all affect the Rivian shares. There will be some positive effects, but there'll also be negative effects as well. Now, we must bear this in mind going forward because this will have a huge impact, and I seriously think that because of the difficulty they will face in manufacturing these vehicles, the share price seriously stands a chance at falling as low as $50. Let me know if you disagree with what I'm saying, and let me know why you disagree with what I'm saying. Also, if I missed anything in this video, you should also let me know. Let's have a discussion in the comments below. Now, additionally, there's some more exciting news from Rivian. Rivian filed trademark for electric bike. This is actually quite exciting because Rivian, the EV maker, they announced a new trademark for electric bike and electric bicycles, as well as their corresponding structural parts. The move might signal that Rivian is considering getting onto the EV bike demand train and diversifying its portfolio with products that is cheaper to produce at scale than electric pickup trucks and in line with the target adventurous-seeking demographics. Now, the company often files trademarks for products they don't end up using, but other automakers are beginning to see that the value in EV bike industry that saw growth raised by 240% over the last 12 months leading up to July. Porsche launched a new EV bike that were designed with the spirit of the Taycan Cross. BMW also released a plan to produce several EV bikes and other micro-mobility vehicles later, as well as its all-electric CE04 scooter. Rivian shares plans to use some of the $13.7 billion it raised when it went public to build a secondary factory in Georgia. It's the first in Illinois to double its production capacity and produce battery cells which can obscenely be used in batteries for other types of vehicles. Naturally, this is a huge step for the Rivian company to go into the electric bike industry. With the Rivian electric bike, I don't think that this is just a one-off product. The main reason is because Tesla usually release one-off products such as the Tesla surfboard, There's various one-off Tesla products that they usually announce and build, and they're usually sold out almost immediately. And they do this to raise funding for the company. Rivian has taken a completely different strategy. Part of being an adventurous company is that the EV bike space is branching out, especially into the wilderness, especially within adventure. So to create an electric bike is actually genius. This is directly up their path. This is directly up their family tree of products. I think it will fit perfectly within the Rivian Adventurous brand to create a mountain bike that's electric or something that is similar to that factor. But people who like camping, people who like adventure, this will be perfect for those people. People who are outdooring, people who like the outdoors, people who like to explore. This is the audience Rivian are targeting with their SUVs and their pickup truck, but now they will also be targeting the same audience with their EV bike. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you for watching until the end. I really appreciate that. And of course, I will see you in my next video.